The solution, in short, is that the R2 button legs have worn down from prolonged use. Melt a piece of plastic and place it over the worn area, but do so carefully and without applying any pressure, as it cannot withstand pressure. Also, do not apply it too quickly, as high heat will warp the legs. Try a small amount of the plastic for a maximum of 30 seconds. If this doesn't work, wait a little while for it to cool down, then try again.